pag-uusapan natin dahil sa wakas, magbabalik na ulit on the big screen. Okay, sige, doon muna tayo sa song, which you just performed. Thank you again, by the way. Okay, so yung song na yun, Like You, is part of the album na Like You rin. So baka nagulahan ka sa mga tao na, album ba siya o kanta?
Key track actually siya. So, for those who don't know, the title of the album is Like You. And we wanted the title, can I explain that? We wanted the title to be Like You is because we want people to be able to relate to the music like that we release. Like, it's just like you, you know. And hopefully they find inspiration once they listen to the music. Na parang, there's no one like you.
Oh, yung pala yun.
Yeah.
Okay, so doon naman tayo sa song.
Yes.
Like You. Okay, so what is it about?
It's about your admiration for someone or pwede rin towards yourself that there's someone like you. You're unique, you're beautiful, and wala ka ibang katulad. Ganun. Yes.
So, nung narinig ko yung, kasi pinarinig ko yung buong album, medyo ganun talaga yung vibe, no, na happy, chill, ganun siya eh. So, ito na ba yung, dito ba yung direction ng music na gusto mo papunta? Or was this suggested to you and you liked it? Or ikaw yung nagsabi nito?
We really wanted to opt for like a different tone. Like I'm still finding my voice kasi sa music. You know, every day we still learn. So parang this is something that I've always wanted to do. This type of tone, this type of genre na medyo light ganyan. But you know, hopefully with the songs we put out there, hopefully it inspires people. That by the end of the day, that's our goal naman talaga. But we wanted to make it different from my previous album. Kasi my previous album, medyo ano siya, diba? Medyo parang mellow, medyo mahinhit. Ito kasi parang, ito yung na-imagine kong pinapakinggan kong kanta sa kotse pag nagta-travel ako. Very ganun siya.
Easy listening siya.
Yes.
Oo, easy listening. Oo. Tapos meron pa ang isang song, wait, ano nga yung title? Parang nasa may dulo. Para naman siyang pang-ending ng concert. Tinandaan ko yun eh. Parang siyang, alam mo yung last song ni Taylor Swift sa last tour niya? May ganun siyang vibe. Kasi parang pa-confetti na. Parang ganun na siya.
Doon.
Saan na yun? I think it's Pintuan ba? Or Get Out? Kasi hindi ko maalala. Basta isa doon, ang dami niyang vibe. Ang dami ma-i-imagine habang pinapakinggan yung buong album. So,
Yeah.
hindi naman natin isa-isa kasi 8 tracks to. Pero you know, ano yung parang pinaka-favorite mo or you want to tell us about? Ano yung track?
Hirap naman. May LSS ako sa Like You.
Okay.
Ang meaningful for me is Pintuan. Because the story is so nice. Like, once you listen to the music, ang ganda, parang ilang beses tayong sasaraduan ng pintuan, pero may isang pintuan na para sa atin.
Yes.
Which is sobrang ganda ng meaning. Ayun, Nowhere Now Here, because, you know, talks about faith. I feel like when I sang that song, at least, parang it's like, Nowhere Now Here, I'm nothing without you. Ganun yung story niya. Pero yun, ang hirap kasi, ang dami talaga. I love all the songs.
Okay, ako na lang pipili. Yung magdadala, yun yung gusto ko dito.
Ayan! Oh my gosh, ang ganda nun. Very ano siya, no? Parang rom-com. Diba? Kilig. When you hear the song, very kilig.
Sa mga hindi pa nakakarinig, sige, tell us about magdadala.
Ano siya, parang sabi ko, first time ko kumanta ng ganito na music, na song. Ang galing niya, parang it's you and I against the world. It's that type of music, which is so nice. Parang, and it's so hard kasi to translate our emotions through music. Pero this one, parang every word of the song, nandun siya eh.
Yes, ang dami talaga magagandang lyrics dito sa album ni Belle. So, who did you work with for this album?
Of course, Starbuck, my Starbuck family, sina Sir Rox, Trisha, oh my God, si Seska, sila talaga. Grabe kami sa studio. Alam mo, we're working but we don't feel like we're working. Because we just really enjoy each other's company. And that's what I love whenever we do like sessions like that or sobrang tutok and super collaborative namin. And ano siya, it's a teamwork talaga.
Pero alam mo, nagulat kami kasi parang ang busy-busy mo. Ang dami mong ginagawa. ginagawang projects, tapos meron ka pang mga endorsements, like one glimpse at your social media accounts, makita mo na doon na ang dami mo ginagawa. So, saan mo nasingit tong paggawa ng album? Like, how was the recording process like? Was it in between, mga ngarap na photo shoots and everything?
We actually recorded this last year pa.
Mm-hmm.
And sabi namin, when's the right time to release this album? Kasi supposedly, tama po ba? Last year pa dapat i-release tong album. Pero, blessing in disguise, we released it ngayong Love Month. Diba? So, ang ganda niya kasi, ayun, parang we just, sorry.
Di ba, saan mo na isingit at pag-record?
Ano naman, parang sabi ko, I will always find time to do music. Because I love doing music. It's a way for me to express myself and, such as acting, di ba? We have different ways to express yourself. And ang ganda kasi parang parang naging personal diary siya ng composer.
Yes, yun nga. Tapos, syempre, ang next question ng mga tao, since nag-album ka na, you've done successful concerts before, pero gusto mo na rin ba na mag-concert dahil may bago ang album?
Ano naman? Hindi ko pa po alam. Hindi ko alam. Pero hopefully, syempre pag nag-concert kami, we really want to be equipped. Talagang different siya sa previous concert namin. Syempre, deserve nila yung best. So, I'm just so excited if ever mangyari man yun, why not?
Yes, okay. So, now that medyo nakapag-warm up na tayo, it's time to open the floor for questions from our friends from the media. Siyempre, ibigyan natin sila ng chance to ask you a